Why do we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January? Republic Day means the birth of the Constitution. Republic means the head of the state is elected and not a hereditary monarch. That means he is not a king. Power comes from the Constitution, that is written rules and regulation. Government functions according to the rule of law. So why 26 January is selected for Republic Day? The first reason is Purna Swaraj, which was declared on 26 January 1930. It goes way back to 1930. Indian National Congress in the Lahore session in 1929, which held in December, declared that they are going to declare Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence, and they chose a date. And the date was 26 January 1930 as the day of complete independence, that is Purna Swaraj. A bold step against the British rule, which symbolized the freedom and self-rule. So British, here they have rejected the dominion status given by the Britishers. What do you mean by dominion status? Is a country which is self-governing internally. Internally we are governing by ourselves, but we have to recognize the British monarch as the head of the state. So the country is not fully independent. Indirectly it is under the control of Britishers. Second reason is they needed time for transition. The Constituent Assembly was formed in the year 1946 and they started to draft the constitution by the drafting committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and they adopted the constitution on 26 November 1949. But it required time for administrative changes. It has to make changes in the legal system. They have to make constitutional offices, end of dominion status, to end the dominion status completely, prepare the civil servants and officers. So if they have implemented immediately, on this day, next day the constitution is implemented, then there would be legal confusion, power transfer becomes problematic. So they needed some time. So here date 26 January 1950 fits well. It gave the government 2 months time for preparation. They have issued rules and notification, what should be done, how should be done, everything was done within the 2 months time period. They can also train the officials. Also, it honors the Purna Swaraj of 1930. The date which was chosen before can be used now, and it also symbolizes the continuity of freedom struggle. That means we also remember that day with lot of importance. They also rejected British authority. And the aim of the drafting committee or the Constituent Assembly to choose a powerful date to enforce the constitution was successful. So hence we celebrate 26 January 1950 as from that day we celebrate Republic Day.